Hey everyone, today we're doing a quick overview of Rocket Money, the app that promised to help you manage your finances, cancel unwanted subscriptions, I hate those, and save more money. I've got the website open here for visuals, but we're talking about the app itself, so let's jump right into it. Rocket Money is basically your financial assistant in app form. It connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, tracks your spending, helps you set budgets, monitors your subscriptions, and even negotiates bills for you. I've had subscriptions pile up for months without even knowing because I can't keep up, They pile up without you knowing. They sneak up on you. Now, it's designed for anyone who wants to get a clearer picture of their finances without juggling a bunch of spreadsheets. The standout features include subscriptions managing. It automatically finds recurring charges you might have forgotten about and helps you cancel them. It has also got budgeting tools. You can set spending limits by category and get alerts if you're going over. And it has also got bill negotiation. For certain bills like internet or phone, Rocket Money's team will actually negotiate lower rates on your behalf. Man, haggling at its finest. It has also got smart savings. You can even set up automatic transfers for saving goals right inside the app. Now, it has a free version that covers the basics, spending, tracking, budgeting, and subscription monitoring. And if you want bill negotiation, premium cancellation, custom savings features, you'll need to pay plan. It's flexible though. You actually choose how much you want to pay for premium, which is a pretty unique approach. I'd say Rocket Money is great if you want a hands-off way to manage your money and avoid wasting cash on subscriptions you don't use. If you're already hardcore about budgeting manually, it might feel a little basic, but for most people, it strikes a really good balance between automation and control. And that's it. That's a quick look at Rocket Money. Whether you're trying to tighten up your budget or just stay on top of things, it's definitely worth checking out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss future updates. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.